Hello guys! We're back at Bat Summer TV at ang dami naming kautangan. Tao lang po kami and of course we're going to react to Josh. Colin, thank you for your comments, lalo na dun sa mga nagsasabi na parang they appreciated our music video reaction dun sa No Control. Kasi it really reflects us three, No Control. Now we're going to react, isa pa sa heavily requested ay ang mga silent cries. Sino nakaka-relate sa silent cries?
Yung cry, hindi ako umiiyak kasi. Not my thing.
Ay, no.
Cold-heart bitch.
Cold-hearted bitch. Okay, let's watch.
Hydro? Ay, hindi naman pala hydro. Ay,
I've been searching for the pieces of the child who died. Searching for the man that's got his dreams declined. Been running in the dark, wish I could find a light through silent cries.
Chico sa era naman to.
sorry, hindi ako nakinig ng Chico Sai.
Ay, ano ba yan?
No, parang ako I just have to comment dun sa first part ng music video. Parang, is this a commentary on his fame right now? But apparently, parang dun sa first line, first and second line, it appears na parang he's going to delve into the past. So, baka mamaya yung pagkabisihan niya ngayon, yung fame niya ngayon, is definitely not a bad thing. Yun lang yung immediately na feel ko. Pero yung past, siguro yung mas madidiscuss.
Been running in the dark, wish I could find a light through silent cries. Every day feels like battles, scars and wars all night. Never bending trail, pushing more and more. All I ever asked for is for God to save my head. Oh, I'm not okay, gonna run away. Thought I was getting better. In this cycle, trapped forever, losing my mind. Is it really meant for me to cry and hate my life? Oh, I'm not okay, wanna run away. Lost but don't wanna be found.
Same.
I've been screaming without a sound. Where do I go? Where do I hide? Where do I run? I've been searching for the pieces of the child who died. Searching for the man that's got his dreams declined. Been running in the dark, wish I could find a light through silent cries.
I just love this. Para ako ha, I just love the gustong-gusto ko yun, it's catchy. Been searching for the that part. Parang it means to tackle your trauma, your childhood trauma. And I think I dare say ha, even if how lucky we are right now, there's still that childhood trauma. 'Di ba? Within us na sometimes yun yung nakapagpa-hone sa atin kung ano man lang meron tayo ngayon. And it really never left us. Yun yung nafe-feel ko eh. And I just love how Josh really integrated his love tuloy, life story into this album. No? So parang I feel him.
Later ako.
Ako din.
Too many hopes turn to this, leaving people that's manipulating us. Do you think they'll kiss you ass? For the price of the lies, what are these boys?
Binabalikan pa rin niya? Oh, I like this. Living like a villain Joker in this scene.
Hindi yan si Lady Gaga.
You know, of course, hindi to kay Lady Gaga, pero Joker 2, October 2 on Philippine cinemas nationwide. But, parang may analogy doon sa character ni Joker. Na parang, he is not a really born villain. You know, sometimes
The society
the
makes
system,
him.
the broken system, the society, is the one who really broke him and made him into a villain that he is. Ang gingay! Okay. Ay, bro!
Back to Joss.
Back to Josh. Sorry po, sorry ha. Anong nakain natin ngayon? Of the child who died.
Mahaba pa.
Mm-mm. Okay.
Galing.
Galing.
Um, this only goes to show that, well, number one, for a music video, it does not necessarily need to be super complex to relay the meaning.
Yeah.
It does not exactly need to be directly interpretative of every word or every setting. Sometimes it just needs a concrete storyline.
Tama.
Which is what he gave. The perfect contrast of the first few seconds during the introduction up to the whole music video where he was traveling, and what better way nga naman to
Interpret it.
relay the feeling ng nalulungkot than through traveling.
Actually,
lot-
best hindi lang through traveling. Actually, ang ipo-point out ko dun sa yung mo nga din is, hindi ko alam kung intentional but a lot of Filipinos na nagta-travel after the work,
Oo,
after
they
they
reflect.
gave 100% sa corporate, kung saang office man
Yeah,
sila nagtrabaho.
I agree.
And when they, yung journey to their home, sa ang daming silent,
Daming emotions.
ang daming silent cries na
True.
nagaganap sa biyahe.
Ang galing nga
Yun ang
nung
gusto ko na point
storytelling
na
eh.
mo.
Di ba,
Na hindi
kumbaga-
kailangan komplikado,
Oo.
no?
Kumbaga, it's so simple,
Yeah.
honestly. Pero, kumbaga, it's very adjacent. It's very adjacent to ano nga man na talaga nafe-feel ng tao.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, while as you can see, kumbaga there's not much to interpret when you're riding the bus, but truth of the matter is, you reflect a lot on the way home.
Yeah.
Natapos mo ba yung work? biglang naalala mo si ganito. Kumbaga, there's a lot of deliberation going on in you pag pauwi ka.
Yeah.
Parang true, yun nga sabi mo, you gave 100% to your work, tapos biglang pag uwi mo, parang ang down, biglang nagkaroon ka ng sunk feeling na, parang ganon
Yes.
yung atake. So, ang
Kasi
galing,
sometimes, di ba, Bes, may naalala ka going to your home na, oh, parang nawawalan ako ng social life.
Hindi nga lang
Tapos-
social life eh. Kumbaga
or
parang,
You reflect on,
Oo,
actually, on sometimes as deep as you reflect on why you're here on earth. Sometimes, what's your purpose?
Existential crisis
Sometimes, what could have been, bakit nandito pa
sa
lang ako?
totoo lang, sa traffic sa Pinas, makakapag-reflect ka talaga.
Baka yung mga biggest decision mo na naganap
Na-reflect
sa
mo,
ano.
diba? From Mega Mall to Quezon City, na-feel mo
Dahil-
talaga dyan.
Kanina, kung mapapansin nyo, I reacted immediately kasi it reminds me of parang Lucky ni Britney Spears. Alam mo yun yung, there are...
Ay, oo nga!
diba?
Oh my God, sorry,
Yung Lucky ni
mother.
Britney Spears, parang there are a lot of artists who already talks about, this is fame, but this is, behind the
The
scene.
fame.
And this is behind the fame. Sometimes it's deadly. Sometimes it's not as flashy and as good
Though
as nakikita natin. But,
In a manner, it's different from Lucky ni Britney Spears.
kasi hindi fame yung
Oo, hindi fame yung inatake niyan eh. Kumbaga, there was his verse wherein he reflected heavily on his past.
Past.
Yung Joker, yung may Joker na verse. This is our first listen, by the way, so forgive us if we don't actually remember the specific line. Pero dun sa verse na yon, parang it somehow showed na he's been through a lot.
Yeah.
Tapos, I think one of the reflection while traveling was that, na parang, bakit ako na-take advantage sa moment
Yeah.
na yon? Parang ako yung naging masama. When in fact, siguro sa situation na yon, number one, you were probably forced to kung ano mang nangyari dun sa, parang may mga ganun tayong moment eh. Not isolated with Josh, pero it's also parang similar with a lot of us. Tapos, another thing, sa music naman niya, there are really music na it does not need to be heavily dramatic yung backing track
Yeah.
for you to feel it. Kasi
Yeah.
yung lyrics are so straight to the point and so daggers to the heart na parang nafe-feel mo. Pero, ano nga ba yung, may kanta rin akong ganyang similar na na-feel eh, na parang ang lungkot-lungkot nung kanta. Pero, ang track niya sa ilalim is hindi sobrang lungkot. Parang ganon. There's a juxtaposition between the sadness of
And
the
the beat.
verse
And the beat and the
na
song, yeah.
binibigay sa kanya. It's not necessarily upbeat, but
Yeah.
it's not necessarily sad as well.
This is just the same. Like,
Which is ang galing
Ang
nung
galing.
pagkaka-mash up nung kanta. Sinabayan nito. Actually, kung tutuusin hindi to mahirap na MV na shoot. Kumbaga, this is a plain which is
Actually,
it resounds to a lot of
yeah,
us.
I think paggagawa ng MV, it's either you overthink or you underthink. But
Knowing you overthink.
yeah, of course, me, I overthink. But remember, ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat is, should I stay here sa mas simple but I will nail it? Or I'll be over the top and at the same time, it will be aesthetically pleasing in the end. But with Josh, he found the perfect balance,
Yeah.
on how this could be a sophisticated music video and at the same time, very simple and very, very proper for the song. Actually, when you go home, sometimes you listen to songs na upbeat, pero nare-relate mo siya dun sa sadness mo. Nare-relate mo siya dun sa journey mo. 'Di ba? Dati ako na-associate ko yung mga songs sa mga previous work ko sa Makati kung saan talagang sobrang tindi ng traffic. Like yung kay Sam Smith, of course, Eraserheads. And this one, yung Silent Price, I don't know, but it gives me goosebumps na parang ito yung dapat mapakinggan ko while going home.
True.
Kasi parang it will really parang it will really affect me na to question myself and of course acknowledge that there are silent cries and
Galing.
and
Galing ni Josh.
as I say, ang galing ni Josh kasi na-relate to sa atin eh. He's a superstar right now. But he still
He's a
travels
superstar
home.
of his own.
Yeah, he still travels home just like all of us. He may be a star, we may be an employee, di ba, corporate slave.
You can relate eh.
But you can relate that papauwi ng bahay mo, you travel these pass
Galing.
na hindi mo maa-avoid. And you'll still go back to those emotional traumas. But,
Sorry, not that I underestimated Josh. Pero kasi siguro, kumbaga hindi ganito yung expectation ko when it comes to
Yeah.
not that I underestimated him, siguro lang kumbaga you have this perception of every member na. But I think at a point in time sometimes you do overlook a person kung ano siya from what you see. So it's nice na na-deliver itong galing. Ako wala akong masabing
And feeling ko best and we suddenly realized lang talaga yung maturity ni Josh, iba na talaga.
Oo, totoo din actually.
yun.
Or baka ever since naman matured na siya.
Oh yeah,
Siguro, we're so locked in the
from
idea
all the
na...
silent cries he
Oo.
had.
Kumbaga, we're so locked in sa idea niya sa SB19 na he's yung parang bad boy na gano'n.
Yeah.
Parang galing, kumbaga this shows us a different side to his mind. Plus, yung mastercraft niya talaga when it comes to to portraying in music videos.
yeah,
Or maybe the charisma is still working.
And uniqueness.
and talent.
Nerve muna. Anyway, thank you very much for tuning in, Matthew. How can they support us?
You can support us by, I've been searching for the pieces of the child who died. Charot. Di ba? Parang gusto kong pakinggan ulit. So, you can support us by sending us your tip via PayPal,
Yes,
GCash, and of course, during live stream, super thanks if it's not copyright. And thank you so much, guys. Ha. And Josh, congrats. No?
Congrats.
Nakukuha mo na ulit yung loob ko, mahal. That's your Sugar Spice and sometimes nice. My name is Blake.
And this is Harry.
And this is Matt. Bye!